Chocomelon.
6-year-old Tommy loves to play, but he often feels tired and sluggish. One day, while playing in the park, he meets a mysterious old gardener who tells him about magic seeds. Seeds that grow into foods with incredible superpowers. Carrots for night vision, bananas for speed, almonds for brain power. Each food has its own magic.
What are you doing?
Planting magic seeds, my boy.
Magic? Like the kind that makes you fly?
Haha, not quite. These seeds grow into foods that give you real superpowers.
Superpowers? Like what?
See these carrots? They help you see in the dark like an owl.
One. What about that one?
That's a banana tree. Bananas give you the energy to run fast, just like a cheetah.
I want to run fast. What else?
Almonds make your brain sharp, so you can solve puzzles like a wise old owl. And spinach points to a green plant. It makes your muscles strong like a superhero.
That's so cool. But I don't eat a lot of these foods.
That's why you feel tired sometimes, right? And why you get sleepy in class.
Yeah, I do feel tired a lot.
If you eat junk food all the time, your body won't get the magic it needs to grow strong, fast, and smart.
Tommy thinks for a moment, remembering how he felt tired at school and weak while playing soccer.
Maybe I should eat more magic foods.
That's the spirit. Try eating a good breakfast, drinking more water, and choosing healthy snacks.
I'll do it. I want to be strong and fast.
Great. Then you're ready for a real adventure.
Tommy went to home, said all the lesson to his mom, and practiced all that he learned. And a week later, Tommy returns to the park, feeling stronger and more energetic. But the old man is gone. Instead, a small wooden sign stands in the garden.
Ha! What's this? Healthy food is the real magic.
Tommy smiles, knowing he has unlocked his own superpowers. He runs off faster than ever. Eat healthy foods, those give you superpower.
Chocomelon.